Hello, hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with 2020. I can't talk today. There, I got you laughing first thing. Okay, 2024 31 day Smashbook challenge. And I'm not going to edit that out either. So we are on day 27. Well, we're coming down the last few days here. And it's favorite activities. Okay. So I'm going to explain this to you. My favorite activities, going out with Scott on the Harley. There is not a picture of me and him together because it seems like whenever we get on the bike, there's nobody around to take a picture of both of us, as of yet. And I've only been on the bike with Scott twice. I was on the theory I let him get it out of his system first. And the first time I actually rode on a long distance with Scott was a few weeks ago. And then we got snow the next day. Crazy, isn't it? So I just put a picture of him with the Harley. I named the bike's name is Shadow. And then I got some little stickers of fish. I didn't have any like trout. I was looking for trout. I didn't have no stickers of trout because me and Scott like going trout fishing and camping and sitting around the fire. And that's Scott and I doing our living history, which is rendezvousing 1800 for Trader. That's him and I. You see there's a gun there. He's got his pouch. We were doing the woods walk. And that's where we go shoot at targets. And we can win prizes. So that is some of my favorite activities. Besides spending time with my family and my grandchildren. And crafting. But you all know that. So thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.